Welcome to my channel. Connect Epson EcoTank ET-4850 to Wi-Fi Quick Setup Guide. 1. Turn on the printer. Press the power button and wait until the printer finishes starting up. 2. Open the home screen. On the printer's touchscreen, tap the home icon to access the main menu. 3. Go to Wi-Fi settings. Tap Settings, Network Settings, Wi-Fi Setup. 4. Select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Choose Wi-Fi Setup Wizard to search for available wireless networks. 5. Choose your Wi-Fi network. From the list of networks, select your home or office Wi-Fi name, SSID. 6. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Use the on-screen keyboard to type your Wi-Fi password carefully. 7. Confirm the connection. Tap OK or Connect. The printer will try to connect to the network. 8. Wait for connection message. Once connected, the screen will show connected successfully. 9. Install Epson printer software. On your computer or mobile device, install Epson Smart Panel or the Epson printer driver. 10. Printer test page. Printer test document to confirm the printer is working over Wi-Fi. Quick tips. Keep the printer close to the router during setup. Make sure your phone or computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching.